Imagine a drink so powerful it could potentially combat cancer, improve liver function, and even aid in weight management. This isn't a mythical elixir, it's celery juice. A humble vegetable, often relegated to the bottom of the crisper drawer, is now taking center stage in the world of health and wellness. With endorsements from high-profile celebrities and wellness gurus, celery juice has become the latest health trend to take the world by storm. But why all the hype? Is it just another fad? Or is there a solid scientific foundation behind these claims? So let's peel back the layers of this green wonder and uncover the science behind its health benefits. First up, the potential anti-cancer properties of celery juice, thanks to a compound called apigenin. This mighty compound takes an interesting approach to combating cancer. It essentially starves the disease by inhibiting the process that allows cancer to feed on the blood's oxygen and nutrients. According to a study published in the Journal of Carcinogenesis, apigenin doesn't stop there. It also throws a wrench in the works of cancer's invasion plan, preventing it from breaking down and invading healthy tissues. And if you need further proof, another study from the Journal of Cancer Prevention reaffirmed these findings, stating that the flavonoids in celery can suppress the progression of prostate cancer and slow down the proliferation of cancer cells. Celery juice, then, might just be a green shield against cancer. Aside from potentially warding off cancer, celery juice might also be an ally in your weight management journey. Let's delve into why. The key player here is again a compound known as apigenin, a plant flavone that has been linked to a variety of health benefits. One of these benefits is its potential role in weight management. This is because apigenin is thought to boost your metabolism, helping your body burn calories more efficiently. So, while celery juice isn't a magic weight loss potion, it could support your efforts to maintain a healthy weight. Now, let's switch gears and talk about brain health. Did you know that apigenin also has neuroprotective effects? This means it could potentially safeguard your brain against a variety of neurodegenerative disorders. In fact, a study published in the journal Molecular Nutrition and Food Research found that apigenin could help protect against oxidative stress, a key factor in conditions like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. In conclusion, the humble celery, when juiced, can potentially offer a wealth of health benefits. But the benefits of celery juice don't stop there. Remember the apigenin we've been talking about? It's also a bit of an inflammation superhero. Back in 2013, specialists from Taiwan found that the apigenin in celery acts as a potent anti-inflammatory agent. So if you're dealing with inflammation, a glass of celery juice might just be what your body needs to start healing. But what about high blood pressure? That's where pyrroloquinoline quinone, or PQQ for short, comes into play. This compound found in celery has shown potential for blood pressure regulation. Imagine that, a natural, tasty solution to support your heart health. So the next time you're in the produce aisle, why not pick up a bunch of celery? Now, let's raise a glass of celery juice to improved liver function. Your liver is a vital organ that's often overlooked. This powerhouse detoxifies your body, produces essential proteins, and aids digestion. But what happens when it's not performing at its best? Enter celery juice. According to a study from the University of Colorado, celery juice contains a natural antioxidant known as pyrroloquinoline quinone, or PQQ for short. This powerful antioxidant can protect your body against non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. So, drinking celery juice might just give your liver the boost it needs to carry out its duties more effectively. Next, let's consider cholesterol. It's like a double-edged sword. On one hand, it's essential for making hormones and vitamin D. But, on the other hand, too much of the bad LDL cholesterol can increase your risk of heart disease. Now here's some good news. A study conducted by the University of Chicago found that celery juice contains a chemical called phthalate, which can reduce bad LDL cholesterol levels by a remarkable 7%. That's right, just a simple morning habit could help keep your cholesterol in check. Moving on, let's delve into the world of digestive health. You see, our gut is often referred to as the second brain, and for good reason. It's responsible for far more than just digesting food. It plays a crucial role in our immune system and even our mood. So how can celery juice help? Well, it's packed with fiber, which aids digestion and promotes a healthy gut. Plus, the high water content in celery juice helps hydrate the body, which is also essential for good digestion. Finally, one of the standout benefits of celery juice is its positive impact on your skin. But how does sipping on this green elixir translate to a glowing complexion? Let's break it down. Your skin is constantly exposed to environmental pollutants and free radicals, which can lead to premature aging and various skin issues. Apigenin acts as a shield. providing antioxidant protection to your skin cells, reducing the damage caused by these external factors. Whether you're dealing with acne, eczema, or other inflammatory skin conditions, the anti-inflammatory properties of apigenin can play a crucial role in soothing and calming your skin. And let's not forget about phthalates. This compound, also found in celery, has been associated with stress reduction. Lower stress means fewer stress-related skin issues, such as acne or inflammation. It's like a holistic approach to skincare from the inside out. In conclusion, the combination of apigenin and phthalates in celery juice can work wonders for your skin. From potentially combating cancer to supporting weight management, the benefits of celery juice are impressive. This humble green juice can be a powerful tool in your wellness arsenal, providing anti-inflammatory properties, aiding in blood pressure regulation, and even offering an antioxidant boost. So why not start your day with a glass of celery juice? Simply ensure that you prepare the juice correctly to preserve its natural benefits. If you own a juicer, wash a sizable bunch of celery and juice it. For those using a blender, chop the celery first. Blend it at a high speed until it achieves a smooth consistency, and then strain the juice. Enjoy it every morning on an empty stomach, and get ready to be pleasantly surprised. If you found this information valuable, hit that like button and share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more science-backed health insights. Until next time, stay curious and stay healthy.